Today, we're exploring a fascinating development, the evolving dynamics between Google and Samsung and how their next-gen devices, the Pixel 10 and Galaxy S26, suggest that the peak of their collaboration might be behind them. Now, don't get me wrong, Google and Samsung have had a strong working relationship in the past. They collaborated closely on the original Tensor G1 processor, which debuted in the Pixel 6 back in 2021. Samsung didn't just fabricate the chip, they co-engineered it with Google. This partnership enabled Google to transition away from Qualcomm processors, marking a major shift in the Pixel lineup. In exchange, Google played a key role in ushering Samsung into the AI space. Through Galaxy AI, Google equipped Samsung with essential artificial intelligence capabilities to remain competitive. Without Google's tech infrastructure, Samsung may have struggled to impress users, much like Apple did during its initial AI push. So yes, their synergy delivered tangible innovation. But the landscape is shifting. Recent reports indicate that Google and Samsung are drifting apart strategically. There's no public fallout or official split, but it's evident their paths are beginning to diverge. And truthfully, this might benefit both brands. Starting with Google. While the Tensor chips gave Google tighter hardware-software integration in Pixel devices, there were consistent performance complaints. Built on Samsung's Exynos architecture, the chips lack the power and efficiency of Qualcomm's Snapdragon series. Users experienced heating issues and lag. That's why Google is rumored to be shifting to TSMC for manufacturing the Pixel 10's processor. TSMC is recognized for producing high-efficiency, high-performance chips, potentially leveling the playing field with Samsung and Apple in terms of battery life and processing speed. Now over to Samsung. Although it continues to leverage Google's AI tools, Samsung has inked a deal with Perplexity, an emerging player in the generative AI space. This partnership will bring Perplexity's app assistant and advanced search features to the Galaxy S26. While this doesn't mean Samsung is abandoning Google's AI completely, it does highlight a move toward artificial intelligence independence. So, what does this mean for the upcoming Pixel 10 and Galaxy S26? It means we'll likely see two flagship smartphones offering similar AI-driven functionality, but with distinctly different executions. That's exciting. One challenge with the current Pixel 9 and Galaxy S25 is that their AI experiences feel nearly identical. Sure, they look different and run different UIs, but under the hood, they've been relying on the same AI framework, mostly Google's. However, with the Pixel 10 adopting a new chip design and Samsung exploring Perplexity's AI ecosystem, we could finally see true differentiation in the Android space. The Pixel 9 was a strong device, but tech enthusiasts felt the Samsung-built chip held it back. It wasn't sluggish, but it didn't match the performance of other flagship models. If the Pixel 10 addresses this, it could truly rival both Galaxy and iPhone performance-wise. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S26 might steal the spotlight with unique AI capabilities powered by Perplexity, offering users something fresh in a market crowded with similar features. That's why this subtle split between Google and Samsung could be a game changer. When two major tech players work too closely for too long, innovation can stall. By stepping back and doubling down on their respective strengths, both companies can push boundaries, and that means more exciting options for Android users. So yes, transitions can be tough, but sometimes they're essential for innovation. And with the Pixel 10 and Galaxy S26 on the horizon, we may soon witness how this evolving relationship could redefine the Android ecosystem. That wraps up today's video. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Are you #Team Pixel or #Team Galaxy? How do you feel about the changing Google-Samsung partnership? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tech update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.